Hi, my name is Dan with Solid Coffee. We spent the last 3 days doing the Pony Express, a part of the Pony Express Trail from Utah to Nevada. We experienced dirt roads, washboard roads, trails, mud, snow, you name it. We've been in the last 300 miles. I love the outdoors and I love adventure. And so when I started doing these Sprinter overland trips, it's been an amazing rig to pop in and out of, set up camp immediately, cool when you need it to be cool, warm when you need it to be warm. And it's one of the most capable vehicles that I personally recommend for overlanding. One of the upgrades that I did that was very important to me were the big brake kits from Rotora. Having a 12,000 pound van on the off-road trails in a caravan, I wanted to be confident in the stopping power. So these brakes have given me that confidence as well as the ability to be able to stop on a dime. I originally got the 3500 for the towing power. I tow a Can-Am, I tow some other things around town. And the dually looks cool. It has the 4 wheels in the back. But I really wanted to upgrade the brakes to a big brake kit. And with the dually setup, the max wheel size was a 16-inch wheel. And so switching them out to Super Singles allowed me to upgrade the wheels to a 17-inch wheel that allowed a big brake kit, which has been a great move. Still was able to get a nice stance and a large tire on there. And the ride has been comfortable, it's been smooth. With that, as well as the suspension upgrade with King, the suspension upgrade has been an amazing investment and comfort package. Riding the trails, whether it's dirt, rock, mud, snow, we've been in it all the last 3 days. It's been comfortable, it's been smooth, the tires stick to the ground. There's really almost no shaking and less rattling in the van. So anyone, it's one of those, if you know, if you have a Sprinter van and it's built out, you constantly get a little rattle, squeaking. With the current suspension setup, the rattling and the squeaking has gone down tremendously, especially on like washboard roads. My previous suspension, it was a little soft. The van being almost 12,000 pounds at times, making tight turns, you would really feel the sway and the lean. With the new suspension, it's still heavy, but you can feel the responsiveness of the vehicle when you're turning. And so I appreciate that, and you can feel the road much better. I believe the 2.5 in the front with an auxiliary reservoir, with a coilover. I think I have about 150 pound coils on there on the front to get a bit of nice lift. The rears, King put 3.0 shocks in the rear with a remote reservoir as well in the rear with Deaver Springs. Definitely makes you want to go faster, and if anyone's been off-roading, you know that sometimes a little bit of speed helps with reducing the bumps. And since King is known for their off-road suspensions and tuning, going a little fast on the trails, you feel uber confident in the smoothness and the performance just on dirt. There's not too many things that not too many trails or obstacles that I'm afraid of. Obviously, this is not a rock crawler, but any kind of rain, sleet, mud, snow, dirt has been something that this vehicle has been able to conquer quite easily. I love that this is a 3500 4-wheel drive with bigger tires, bigger brakes, the suspension upgrade. It's been more than capable to get in and out of mud, pull people out of being stuck. And so the confidence and comfort of the 3500 has been great.